The Future Energy Forum brings together over 120 leaders from across industry to share insights and expertise on our journey to net zero.
Downer could be a catalyst for change. We have this unique insight where we're able to see what a lot of different customers are doing around the country.
The energy transition is an enormous challenge. Really complicated, very costly, has enormous benefits associated with it, but it's such a difficult thing to do well that you need lots of dialogue between the people that are actually at the front line of making it happen. So forums like this are vital to get the information exchanged and to get people lined up about how to go about it better.
It just reinforces the need for industry participants and government to be in lockstep with the right policy settings, the right innovation, and then for the delivery partners like Downer to get on with the job.
Been very fascinated today about learning a whole bunch of stuff around renewable energy and the energy transition right across so many different sectors, and we're at the front line of it all.
We have an undiscovered level of capability in this business, and we have really unique offerings, and I don't think everybody really understands that so well. So we want to be able to give people that better understanding of what we can do to help them and different ways of doing things.